Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is a natural hairstyle inspiration. But before we get started, please, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please do so by clicking on the subscribe button down below. And if you eventually find this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up and let me know what you think of this video in the comment section. And with that being said, let us just get right into the video. The first thing I will be doing is to divide my hair into two sections, some parts to the front while the other parts to the back. And I'm just trying to make sure that my part is as neat and straight as possible. But I eventually found out that it wasn't actually necessary because the part is going to be covered up eventually. So for the back section, I'm just dividing it into two just to make twisting easier for me. So I'm just packing one section away so I can work with the first section. So I'm taking small portions of this section and I'm just going to be moisturizing with just ordinary water, and I'm just going to be sealing that portion with shea butter. And then I'm just going to be detangling my hair with its comb, starting from the tips and working my way down to the root, and I'm just going to be twisting that. And I'm just going to be doing that for the whole of the back section, just moisturizing, sealing, detangling and twisting. So for the front section, I'm just going to be dividing the front section into two parts also, moisturizing with just ordinary water, sealing with shea butter, and then detangling with a wide tooth comb, starting from the tips and working my way down to the roots. So I'm using this Eco Styler gel to lay my edges just to make everything lay flat and look really nice. Now I'm going to be flat twisting my hair, although it's not necessary for you to flat twist. If you do not know how to flat twist, you can just braid your hair. The aim is to make your hair look beautiful, and you should be comfortable with your hairstyle. I'm basically doing the same thing for the other part, just that I started flat twisting from the middle for this other section. So I'm using my Gorilla snot gel to lay my edges further because my hair is fussy, it's so stubborn, so it's very necessary to lay that edges. This is the second day, so I'm just taking down the scarves that I used to lay my edges the previous day. So I'm just going to be using this coconut oil to unravel my twist just to prevent any frizz. I had to separate the twist further to give me some volume, and I'm just going to be using this comb to, fluff it out to make it look nice, but I was not liking the way it was looking, so I decided to put it into a puff. So I'm just using my fingers to adjust the shape, give it some shape, some nice shape and some volume also. And so that's basically it for this video. I hope you like it, and I hope you subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and let me read from you in the comment section. I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.